In this video, we will see how to fix OneDrive error code 0x8004de8a on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. There may be a possibility of network related issue. So from the left side, go to system settings and here look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters and run network and internet troubleshoot. Click on run button and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process of network and internet. There may be a possibility of network related issue, so you must have a stable network connection. The next workaround, go to Windows search and type internet options. Open internet options. Here from the top menu bar, go to the options advanced. Click on it. Here under settings, go to the security section, scroll down and go to the security section. Under security section, you will find various SSL, TLS section. Make sure that only two option is enabled. Use TLS 1.2 and use TLS 1.3. Balance use TLS 1.1, 1.0 and 3.0 must unchecked. And click on apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your OneDrive error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and here type CMD. And open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear. Here choose yes. And in command prompt windows, execute the command winsock reset. Enter this command and press enter and follow on screen instruction to complete the winsock reset process. After that, don't forget to restart your system. After restarting your system, check whether your OneDrive error code in your system resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here, go to the option user accounts. Here from the left side of menu, click on manage your credentials. Now click on Windows credentials and here look for any OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive related credential. If you have saved, then simply select it, expand it and remove it. So look for any OneDrive credential if you have saved or found in this page. Simply, for example, simply expand it and choose remove. So this is the workaround. Remove OneDrive credential. If you have saved or added, then simply remove it. And after that, check whether your OneDrive error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Reset your OneDrive. Execute the command. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there to reset OneDrive. Simply copy this command and right click on your start button and choose run. You may execute this command through command prompt windows, but we will run it in run dialog box. Paste here and click on OK. This command will reset your OneDrive app settings. After that, close the windows and check after resetting OneDrive app your issue will resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Click on yes and in command prompt windows execute the command to uninstall your OneDrive app from your system. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Simply copy it to uninstall If you have 64-bit operating system, then apply this command to uninstall, and if your system had 32-bit operating system, then apply another command as shown on a screen. Execute this command and press enter. And after successfully uninstall your OneDrive app, close the command prompt windows and go to Microsoft Store and reinstall a fresh version of Microsoft OneDrive. After uninstalling, restart your system and thereafter go to Microsoft Store and open Microsoft Store. Here in search field, type Microsoft OneDrive and install a fresh version of Microsoft OneDrive from Microsoft Store app.